how to change Instagram notification sound on iPhone. So if you want to change your Instagram notification sound on your iPhone, then what you need to do is first open up your settings application, scroll all the way down, and then tap on apps. Now from apps, you need to go with search and search for Instagram. After searching, tap on the Instagram application, and then you need to go with notifications. Once you tap on notifications, you need to scroll down, and then you will have Instagram notification settings, which will be on the bottom. Tap on it. In here, inside the Instagram application, you can also see that there's no option to change the notification sound for Instagram or messages. But what you can do is just simply go back, open up your settings. From your settings homepage, you need to just scroll down a bit, and then you will find an option of sounds and haptics. Tap on it, and then if you scroll down, then you will have the text tone or the ringtone, text tone, something like that. You just need to simply go and change it. Whatever ringtone that your device has, the same ringtone will be used with Instagram as well. So if you want to change the Instagram notification sound, you can go with notification sound, like your text tone or your voicemail or message. You will have a message sound right here. Just simply go and change that. And once you've changed, it will be changed to your Instagram as well. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.